Look at this stuff. I'm studying for my third FCC license, the extra class. It's the highest level license offered.
Not eligible class B for Felipe Rodolfo Rosa, 5'6", black over brown. Advising license in another state jurisdiction.
It's encrypted when it's doing that. Anyway, look at this. Part A shows a 100 ohm resistor connected in parallel with a capacitor that has a 100 ohm of reactance, X sub C. Part B shows an admittance triangle to help you visualize the solution described in the text. So use rules 2 and 5 to convert the impedance to admittances. G equals 1 over R equals 1 over 100 equals 0.01 BC. Y equals this. Write the total admittance in polar form. Y equals 0.0141 greater than 45 degrees. This is the chapter I'm on, chapter 4. There's a lot of math in this. The right triangle you just created represents the solution to the problem. The length of the hypotenuse from the region 2 represents the magnitude of voltage across the combination of R and L for a 1A current of 10 kilohertz. Once you know the impedance for the entire circuit, the phase angle for the circuit is the same as the angle of the impedance. The length of the hypotenuse and the angle can be calculated using trigonometry. Use review references listed in the math supplement. All this to be the highest level license by the FCC. Yeah, I'm kind of in chapter 4 here. See, it's the electrical principles. See, I did a lot of this stuff in the military when I was trained there. So, it wasn't like this though, but it was similar. This is the hard chapter. Let's see what chapter 5 is. And chapter 4. Oh shoot, it's even worse. Components and building blocks. .6 is signal processing. 7 is radio signals and measurements. That's the more stuff I'm more into. Then you get into antennas and all that kind of stuff. The extra class. I want to be ready for this by Christmas break. Some guy just bet Baylor first half minus 20.5. I'm betting Utah. I think I'm going to take Utah State plus 3 first half, which is they're the dogs. I got to do it quick because the game starts in 7 minutes. We're clear.